Ever find yourself pondering what life could be like in a place where no government laws apply? Welcome to an intriguing region nestled between the rugged terrains of Afghanistan and Pakistan, a place where the grip of official governance loosens and the conventional norms of law and order fade into oblivion. This is the no-government zone, a land that lies beyond the reach of typical jurisdiction. This zone, often referred to as a trouble area or a problematic territory, has a history as complex and convoluted as the craggy mountains that surround it. The roots of its unique status trace back to the colonial era, when British rulers, unable to exercise complete control, allowed local tribes to self-govern under a special set of regulations. Fast forward to the present day, and the no-government zone remains for the most part autonomous. Official Pakistani laws do not apply here. The government's influence is restricted, paving the way for a society that operates on its own set of rules. The implications of this are as fascinating as they are daunting. Imagine a place where no official law enforcement exists, where the government's oversight is virtually non-existent. It's a territory where power dynamics are fluid, and control often shifts to those with the might to seize it. This absence of formal authority has given rise to a thriving black market, where goods that are otherwise prohibited in the conventional world are bought and sold freely. It's also the breeding ground for clandestine factories, silently churning out products banned elsewhere. And then there are the professional killers, men who have claimed hundreds of lives, operating within the shadowy corners of this lawless land. Their stories, chilling and brutal, are a testament to the harsh realities of a society without governmental control. In a place where no one is in control, the rules of society as we know them cease to exist. This is the no-government zone, a realm where the line between freedom and anarchy blurs, offering a bewildering glimpse into an alternate reality. Imagine a marketplace where anything and everything that's banned elsewhere is available for a price. Picture this. An open-air bazaar, bustling with activity, a cacophony of haggling voices filling the air. But this is no ordinary market. This is the market of the forbidden, where the illicit and the contraband rule the roost. Situated in the no-government zone, this market is a haven for goods and items that are prohibited in the rest of the world. From exotic wildlife to banned literature, from counterfeit currency to smuggled goods, from illegal narcotics to unregistered weaponry, this marketplace flaunts the forbidden with a brazen audacity that is both startling and mesmerizing. The items sold here are not just tangible goods. Services too, of the kind that would be illegal elsewhere, are on offer. A black market for forged documents thrives alongside stalls offering hacking services or contract killers. It's a market where the cloak of the forbidden is lifted and every dark desire can be catered to for the right price. The existence of this market has significant implications for the local economy and society. On one hand, it provides a source of income for those willing to risk dealing in the forbidden. It offers a livelihood to people who might otherwise be destitute. On the other hand, it perpetuates a culture of illegality and danger, where the line between right and wrong is blurred and the value of human life can be measured in dollars and cents. This market also impacts the wider world. The goods and services traded here find their way into global black markets, fueling criminal activities around the world. The ripple effects of this marketplace reach far beyond the borders of the no-government zone. In this market, the forbidden becomes the norm, and the norm is nowhere to be found. The market of the forbidden is a testament to human ingenuity and adaptability, a dark mirror reflecting the underbelly of society, where the rule of law is replaced by the rule of the market. In the absence of government oversight, banned factories thrive. Nowhere is this truer than the no-government zone nestled between Pakistan and Afghanistan. This is a place where the ordinary rules of society do not apply, where the unimaginable becomes the everyday. In this wild west of industry, factories churn out products that would be deemed illegal in most parts of the world. They create everything from counterfeit currency to unlicensed firearms, from illicit drugs to bootleg technology. The variety is as vast as it is terrifying. These factories, often hidden away in nondescript buildings or deep within the labyrinthine alleyways of the market, operate with a brazen openness. They are not clandestine operations lurking in the shadows, but bold, thriving enterprises. They exist not in spite of the lawlessness, but because of it. The impact on the local economy is profound. These illegal factories provide much-needed jobs, albeit dangerous ones, for the local population. They are the lifeblood of this lawless territory, pumping money into an economy that operates outside of the usual constraints. But this economic benefit comes with a heavy price. The working conditions in these factories are often hazardous, with little regard for worker safety. The products they produce can be dangerous, even deadly. And yet, in a place where government oversight is non-existent, there is no one to enforce safety regulations, no one to ensure fair wages, and no one to protect the workers. The banality of the extraordinary in this place is a stark reminder of what can happen when regulations are absent. It is a testament to human resilience and ingenuity, yes, but also a cautionary tale of unchecked capitalism and the dark side of human nature. In a place where laws do not apply, the unimaginable becomes reality. In the no-government zone, the unimaginable is not only real, it's business as usual. The banned factories are a testament to this, a chilling reminder of what happens when the usual rules do not apply. In a land where the law does not extend, some find a chilling profession. This phrase rings particularly true in the no-government zone straddling the border of Pakistan and Afghanistan. Here, professional killers roam, operating in a society that has no formal law enforcement or legal repercussions for their actions. In this unregulated environment, the professional killer takes on a unique role. To some, they are feared figures, the embodiment of the lawlessness that pervades the region. To others, they are necessary evils, individuals who provide a form of rough justice where no other exists. And to a select few, they are valuable assets, tools to be used in the pursuit of power or personal vendettas. Without the fear of legal repercussions, these professional killers operate with a chilling efficiency. They are masters of stealth, blending into the crowd as ordinary men and women, their deadly profession hidden beneath a veneer of normalcy. They strike without warning, their victims often unaware of their fate until it's too late. The presence of these killers profoundly impacts the local population. A constant undercurrent of fear runs through the community. Trust is a rare commodity, as anyone could potentially be a killer or a target. Every interaction is tinged with suspicion, every stranger a possible threat. This pervasive sense of insecurity shapes the way people live their lives, influencing everything from the places they go to the people they associate with. Yet, amidst this atmosphere of fear and uncertainty, life goes on. The markets buzz with activity, the factories continue to churn out their illicit products, and the professional killers carry out their grim work. It's a harsh reality, but for those living in the no-government zone, it's simply a part of their daily existence. In a place where life is cheap, death becomes a profession. This is the stark reality of the no-government zone, where professional killers ply their deadly trade, unencumbered by the constraints of law and order. The no-government zone is a place where the usual rules of society do not apply. It's a realm where the ordinary becomes extraordinary, where the unthinkable becomes the norm, and where the forbidden takes center stage. We've journeyed together through this territory, a land devoid of official laws, yet brimming with its own unique set of rules. This market of the forbidden, a place where everything that is prohibited in the rest of the world is readily available, presents a stark contrast to the regulated markets we are accustomed to. Yet, it thrives, a testament to the tenacity of human spirit and the will to survive, even in the harshest of conditions. The banned factories, operating in the shadows, reveal an industry that thrives without regulation or oversight. These clandestine establishments are a testament to the resilience and resourcefulness of people, but they also highlight the dangers and risks that come with a lack of regulation. And then, we met the professional killers, individuals who make a living out of taking lives, a chilling reminder of the depths to which humanity can sink when left unchecked. They are not born killers, but are shaped into them by their surroundings and circumstances, a sobering reflection of the human condition in this no-government zone. The overall impact of this lack of government control is a complicated mosaic of survival, resilience, danger, and despair. It's a world that is far removed from what most of us know and understand. Yet it exists, and it continues to impact the lives of those who inhabit it, and in myriad ways, the rest of the world as well. This journey has been a sobering exploration of what life can become when the protective umbrella of government oversight is absent. It's a stark reminder of the need for balance between freedom and regulation, between survival and humanity, between the individual and the society. In a world where the rule of law is the exception rather than the rule, the no-government zone stands as a stark reminder of what can happen when government oversight is absent.